Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix File Explorer not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your File Explorer not responding, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the search option. Just click on the search option. Then type here File Explorer option. You can see your File Explorer option. Just click on that. Select here this PC. After that, under privacy, you will find show recently used file. Just you need to check mark this option. And second one, you will find show frequently used folder in quick access. You need to check mark this option also. Just click on clear and click on apply and click OK. This was the first option. After that, try the second option. Just you need to right click on this start menu, click on task manager. In this you need to find Windows Explorer. You can see here Windows Explorer. Just right click on that and click on restart and close this window. After that, now try the third method. You need to open the File Explorer. You can open the File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E key. After that, you can see here click on view, click on show. You have to make sure you have unchecked this both option, details pane and preview pane. If it is checked, you need to uncheck this both option. After doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix File Explorer not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.